You will need the SoClean CPAP adapter for ResMed AirSense 10. Detach the injection fitting and short hose from the main SoClean hose. You will no longer need the injection fitting and short hose. Save these parts in case you need them in the future. Remove the original lid from the reservoir base by opening the lid fully, pushing one side of the hinge tab outward, and freeing the lid from the base. Lift the gasket from the original lid and transfer it to the new lid. Install the new lid with the black injection hose to the reservoir base by inserting the left pin into the left notch. Pull the lid toward you and insert the right pin into the right notch. If needed, refill your reservoir. Close the new lid and insert the reservoir into your CPAP unit like you normally would. Connect the SoClean tube by pushing it onto the end of the port of the adapter lid. When you need to add water to your reservoir, please remove the SoClean tube from the adapter lid and remove the reservoir from the CPAP machine. Add water and reinsert into the CPAP machine, and then reconnect the SoClean hose. Warning: hose must be attached to the lid at all times when using the SoClean.